Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Check this out. The water level on this bowl is really low. It's supposed to be higher. So let me show you how to fix that. Take this lid off. Let's put it here. And you can see the problem right away. See this hose is supposed to be attached up here. So what happens is when you flush, water is supposed to be going in here. So, you could bring it in here, and now the water's going in there. And you can see that the water level is up. So you say it's fixed. Well, not really, because what happens is when you flush, if you leave it like that, when you flush, the hose is gonna come off again. And if you tie it up, this won't be able to go up and down like it should. Now this hose, it's really hard, and that's why it just broke right off. So I'm just gonna get another hose, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I got another piece of hose and I attached it to the other one. So all we have to do is put it together. And then attach it to this. And make sure this is down. So when you put the lid on, put the lid on. That's it. All right, guys, water's back to normal. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.